everyone, what's up? This is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about 9 skincare tips जो कि विंटर सीजन में बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूजफुल होने वाले हैं. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सिंपल टिप्स है जो आप अपने डेली लाइव्स में इनकॉर्पोरेट कर सकते हो to get a healthier, softer and a more supple skin. I am a person who has an extremely dry skin and I know how worrying it is to have a dry skin in the winter season because बहुत ज़्यादा स्किन इश्यूज होते हैं एंड इचिंग होती है एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ क्रैक्स एंड स्क्रैचेस एवरीवेयर एंड या होपफुली द टिप्स दैट वी डिस्कस टुडे आर गोना हेल्प you achieve a very soft and supple skin, especially during winter and especially if you're somebody with a dry skin like mine. I really hope you're able to imbibe all of these habits, tips in your life and that it helps you get a better skin. Yeah, let's get started with today's video, but before that, if you're new here, please take a moment and consider subscribing. That will mean a hell lot to me. And yeah, chaliye start karte hain. Now the first tip that I have for you guys is basically related to what we use when we go for our bath. Body washes jo aate hain na, shower gels jo aate hain, they are liquid based, right? And hence they have like very good ingredients, very good content and बहुत ज़्यादा वो drying नहीं होते in nature, whereas soap bars are pretty drying in nature unless you are using soap bars which have very good glycerin content. I think you shouldn't be using soap bars anymore. Soap bars जब मैं use करती थी पहले ना तो मेरा skin और भी ज़्यादा crack होता था, but from the time I have stopped using soap bars and I've moved to shower gels, I think my skin feels much more soft and supple. Second tip is actually related to the first tip. So whenever you are ordering a shower gel online or maybe you're purchasing one over the counter, check in the ingredients carefully. So go for body washes which have a base of glycerin or aloe vera because these are all very moisturizing ingredients and they will eventually help you achieve like a very soft and smooth skin. And I have come across a shower gel on Nykaa which is the Think Skin shower gel and uska jo ek variant hai na, uska naam hi hai Glycerin Glow and it is so inexpensive. It will cost you only ₹49 and you get 100 ml of shower gel and this has a rating of 4.3 on Nykaa. So yeah, you can definitely check this shower gel out. I think it's a very recent launch and they are doing pretty well in the market, especially because they are inexpensive and they have a lot of glycerin in them and the name itself is Glycerin Glow. Now moving on, the third tip that I have for you people is related to washing our face every day. So a lot of us have this habit of waking up in the morning, brushing our teeth and washing our face, right? And we also wash our face when we apply makeup or when we want to get rid of the makeup, हम face wash apply करते हैं. For people who have a dry skin, your target is not only getting rid of the dirt, your target is getting rid of the dirt along with maintaining the moisture in your skin. काफ़ी जगह पे already ठंड पड़ चुकी है काफ़ी ज़्यादा and in some places it's a very pleasant season right now, like it's almost winter in a lot of places. So for dry skin people, आप लोग face wash के बदले क्या कर सकते हो? Whenever you want to sort of feel fresh or you want to sort of remove your makeup, what you can do is you can just take basic simple cotton wipes and take some micellar water in the wipes and then clean your face with that. Not only will it help you get rid of the dirt and all the excess oil that you have in case you have any on your skin, not only will it help you get rid of that, it will also do that while keeping your skin moisturized. It will not take away the moisture from your skin which face washes tend to do, right? Second thing which you can do is you can just pump some rose water on your face or you can just take rose water onto some cotton pads and apply that on your face and clean your face with that. Trust me, your face will feel fresh and yes, it will not feel very itchy or dry. So yeah, do try this next time. Try avoiding face washes in this season. Instead, try applying rose water or micellar water. I think they work pretty well. Alright you guys, now the next point is very important as a winter skincare tip because it is related to our hands. Now कोरोना का टाइम चल रहा है तो अभी हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड वॉश कर रहे हैं and we are using a lot of sanitizer and most of you all must have observed that how drying these things are, right? Like whenever we use these hand washes and whenever we use a lot of these sanitizers, our hands start feeling so dry, the skin starts peeling off and it becomes all flaky and dry, right? And it also leads to a lot of itching and a lot of other issues. So hand creams are a must have in this season. So the hand cream which I am really fond of is the one from Nivea. The one that I'm talking about has glycerin and beeswax in it. It is not very expensive. It will cost you only 90 rupees and it has a 4.5 rating on Nykaa, which is an exceptionally good good rating. Now I have personally used this hand cream and I completely love it. It is in fact one of the things which I always like to keep in my handbag because of a number of reasons. Firstly, it gives you long lasting moisturization. Secondly, it does give you moisturization, but it doesn't have a very greasy texture. It is a texture which is very fast absorbing in nature. So once you apply the hand cream, it will not feel like you have something very sticky onto your hands, but on the other hand, it will do its job really well. And thirdly, the size is so perfect. It is so portable. You can easily take it around with you all, and you can just throw it in your bag and take it with you anywhere and everywhere, especially when it is something which we need after all the hand washes and sanitization. So yeah, very easy to carry, and it is also a very inexpensive product and from a great brand such as Nivea. Do try this one out if you haven't already. Now, moving on, the next tip that I want to give you guys is definitely investing in a good foot cream. So I love the foot cream from this brand called Wadi Herbals, and I have it right here with me. So you get 150 grams of product for a price of 190, which I think is great because this is a huge bottle. I have been using this product for almost 1.5-2 months now, and I did speak to you guys about this product in one of my previous videos. This is how huge it is. मैंने already ये बहुत सारा यूज कर लिया है, लेकिन इसमें अभी भी बहुत सारा फुट क्रीम बचा है, and this will definitely stay along for the remaining winter season. तो ये बहुत दिनों तक चल जाएगा because इसमें क्वांटिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा आपको मिल जाता है. And this also has a rating of 4.5 on Nykaa, which I love, and the main ingredients in this foot cream are clove oil and sandalwood. So yeah, in case you haven't tried out this foot cream, guys, please try it out. This is so nice, so moisturizing, and the heels in my feet, they feel so soft and supple. अगर आप ये फुट क्रीम यूज करना चाहते हो, प्लीज कर लो. मैं सारे लिंक्स, जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स यार मैं बात कर रही हूँ, मैं सारे लिंक्स नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दूंगी. सो डू check the description out for any of the products that you feel interested in. Now moving on, the 6th and 7th tip are actually related to oils. Okay, so the 6th tip is basically about using Emami body oil or any virgin coconut oil for your body. Now before you take your bath, आप तब भी ये इमामी का बॉडी ऑयल लगा सकते हो, या फिर कोई कोकोनट ऑयल लगा सकते हो, या फिर आफ्टर योर बाथ के आप लगा सकते हो. बट दिस इज समथिंग नो विच विल रियली हेल्प योर बॉडी रिटेन इट्स मॉइस्चर. Personally, I prefer applying the Emami body oil before I take my bath. I've been using it since my childhood. It is one of those statement products that I have been using all my life, and I so love it. Yes, I agree, it is a little expensive, but guys, it is required because we don't want those cracks and scratches on our skin, do we? So yeah, go ahead and check out the Emami body oil. Coming to virgin coconut oil, again, they are also pretty expensive, but a simple tip would be, instead of Nykaa, check coconut oil on Amazon. I think they have better and more reasonable options with them. So yeah, do check out Amazon for coconut oils. Now the 7th tip is also related to oils, like I mentioned. So this one is about our hair. Now I'll tell you what the basic idea about dandruff is. Dandruff is nothing but dry skin of your scalp. So when the skin on your scalp dries out real bad, it sort of gets detached from your scalp, and वो form of dandruff आपके कपड़ों पे and हर जगह दिखता है. That is what dandruff is basically. So if you want to avoid dandruff, and at the same time if you're looking for very nice, soft and silky hair during the winter season, there are two very important things that you can do. In case you're not oiling your hair before taking your bath, please do it. Please oil your hair before you shampoo. It really helps. It helps moisturize your hair, it helps with hair fall, it helps with a lot of things, guys. Trust me. In case आप नहीं कर रहे हो, you're feeling lazy and you're not doing it, do it ASAP. If you want to know from me, my personal favorites would be the onion hair oil from Mama Earth and the onion black seed hair oil from Wow. I love both these hair oils, and they've both done a lot of good to my hair. So you can definitely check out these hair oils. And also another thing which you can do with your hair is applying hair masks. Hair masks really help. Hair mask भी Mama Earth के and Wow के बहुत अच्छे आते हैं. Mama Earth and Wow both are Indian brands, and they support the Made in India campaign. So yeah, do go ahead and check out the hair masks from Mama Earth and Wow. Again, a very simple tip is, before you order any of these hair oils or hair masks, please do a comparison between Flipkart, Amazon and Nykaa, because these hair masks and hair oils from Mamaearth and Wow are available on all 3 platforms. But Flipkart and Amazon पे ना उनका प्राइस कभी इसमें कम होता है, कभी उसमें कम होता है, तो आप प्लीज़ एक प्राइस कंपैरिजन करके फिर ऑर्डर कीजिएगा. It will do you a lot of good. Alright you guys, now I am left with the last 2 tips for today's video. Now the second last tip is related to hair removal. So आप waxing, trimming, shaving जो भी कर रहे हैं, keep on doing that. But one additional thing that you need to do is every time you wax, shave or trim your hair, hands के हो गए, legs के हो गए, please go ahead and apply that body oil that I talked about या फिर any moisturizer on your skin, because your skin really needs it badly, because this is the winter season, you guys, and you just can't shave your hair or trim your hair and leave it at that. You will need to go a further step ahead and apply some moisturizer, because अगर आप notice करोगे, then after you trim your hair, you will find all those cracks and scratches on your skin, which is something that you don't want, and that is definitely not very healthy for your skin. So yeah, it will be a step further up ahead, but do moisturize your skin whenever you're doing any sort of hair removal technique. And the last tip for today, which I've saved up for you people, is related to our lips, which again become very dry and flaky during this season. So you guys can definitely go ahead and invest in a lip scrub. So like you have body scrubs, face scrubs, similarly you have lip scrubs, and I personally love the one from Swiss Beauty, in which you get 4.5 grams of product for 224 rupees, and this has a rating of 4.4 on 5. I will attach a snapshot right here. I agree this is a bit expensive, but guys trust me, you will need it, because lips बहुत ही ज़्यादा dry होते हैं. And I know already आप सब definitely कुछ ना कुछ lip balm use करते हो जो कि moisturize करते हैं lips को, या फिर you use your regular Vaseline. I'm sure you're doing that. But to make your lip moisturization game foolproof, please try to incorporate the step of lip scrubbing in your routine as well. So definitely check out the lip scrub from Swiss Beauty. It is a bit expensive, like I said, but yeah, it is a sugar based lip scrub, and इसको आपको रोज use नहीं करना है. You can use it twice or thrice a week, and all you have to do is you have to take a bit of scrub in this finger, and you have to massage it on your lips in a circular motion, which will help all the dead skin and dead cells come off your lips. And सर्कुलर मोशन में मसाज करने के बाद 1 to 2 मिनट्स आपको उसको वैसे ही छोड़ देना है, एंड 2 मिनट्स के बाद आपको एक क्लॉथ में थोड़ा सा वार्म वाटर में डिप करके आपको वो रिमूव कर लेना है अपने लिप्स से. एंड वंस दैट इज डन, यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई सम वेसलीन और सम लिप बाम. इन केस यू गाइज हैवंट started the practice of lip scrubbing, please do it. It is so satisfying, and in case you have extremely dried या chapped lips, जो I think 90% लोगों को issue होता है, this is something which you will not regret doing, so do try it out. So that's it you guys, that was my video for today. I really hope you found all of these skincare tips related to the winter season helpful. If you did, please let me know which was your favorite tip in the comment section below. Yeah, if you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Loads and loads of love. Bye bye.